Sir, can I ask my one doubt?
Yes, please.
Sir, I wanted to ask that if we are covering 12 months vision monthly magazines, so do we need to cover also PT 365 and Main 365?
No, that is not required. If you have sufficiently done your current affairs, monthly current affairs magazine, then it is not required to do the PT 365. I did not do PT 365 in all my 3 attempts because I did all the monthly current affairs very well. So that is what I can say.
Alright.
Yes, Kasturi, you want to ask something? Before we start the session at 7:30, I will take up a few doubts. Kasturi, you have raised your hand. Do you want to ask something?
Sir, my attempt is in 2023. So, is there any specific tip that you want to give us? Because I am preparing with college.
Okay, your attempt is in 2023. Then you should do all
Yes,
the basic NCRT before the means before your second means final year, because you will be preparing means exclusively during 2022 to 2023. So you have a lot of time actually.
yes,
You can focus upon the newspapers, and also you can go through NCRT. That is what you can do in this time. And also prepare your
yes.
optional.
Yes, sir. I have started to cover for subjects, main subjects, polity, history, and geography. And next month, I'm going to take 4 month uh, optional classes from Upendra Gaur sir.
Okay.
And then I will start answer writing and prelims test series in May, so that I have 1 year long for test series.
So that is a good strategy. You can follow that. No issue with that. Okay,
Sir,
so
sir, any review for Upendra Gaur sir sociology classes? Is it worth it? Because I'm planning to do that.
sociology classes. I have
Yes,
one
sir.
friend who has been selected, and
Sir,
she
actually,
told
there
that
is
it's a nice.
actually, sir, actually, there is lot of sound coming from your side, and your exact voice is not that clear.
Recording in progress.
So this noise is from my side. So what should I do?
सर एयरफोन की वजह से हो रहा लगता एयरफोन की वजह से
अभी नहीं हो रहा है सर.
No, sir, now it is clear.
वो
Yes, sir,
म्यूट
it's clear.
वो म्यूट पे है ना इसलिए.
Clear
Yes,
now?
sir. Yes, sir. Now it's clear. You were telling about your friend who cleared in sociology.
Told me to go for this nice IAS classes by Praveen
Yes,
Kishore sir.
Praveen Kishore, sir.
Yes.
So there is some disturbance in the background, sir.
Sir, I think it's because of your ear.
Now my voice is clear or not? Somebody confirm please.
Sir, now
The
also
voice
can.
is big.
I have to turn this fan off, I think. Let me check. Is it clear now?
No, sir, still there is a disturbance.
Is it better now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So can I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first topic which I had chosen for today's this discussion was the.
Sir, sorry to sir, tell others to mute, sir. So there might be disturbance from them also.
Again, there is a disturbance.
Sir, I think it's not from your side. Tell others to mute their voice, sir.
Okay, okay. So Saran, please mute yourself. Saran Nakwal, please mute yourself. I think everybody else is on mute.
Sir, if they don't, you can also mute them as you are the head of the meeting. You can mute them if you.
He will join again. I am just waiting. So now we are starting with the current affairs part. That how to read these monthly current affairs, right? So how to show you? I have one monthly current affairs of July 2020. I have one current affair from November 2020. Okay. I will show you through my mobile camera.
Recording in progress.
Yes.
Okay. So now my voice is
Sir,
clear.
1 minute back it was no disturbance, sir.
But again,
Now
there is
again the
disturbance.
Yes, sir. Few seconds back there was no disturbance.
Actually, when I am trying to join through both the devices from laptop and also from mobile to show you like few things.
Yes,
then
sir. I think, sir, it is because of that. Because when two devices are very close, they
yeah,
their
okay, okay.
frequencies.
So I will share the images with you. Actually, I will just click them.
Okay. Yeah.
कट करायचं म्हणलं चालू आहे इथं. कोण
Mayur, please keep yourself on mute. Akash,
Sir, it's clear.
okay. share certain pictures with you on this view.
Sir, it's clear now.
Okay. I am sharing with you our screen. Are you going to see the screen now? Okay. So this is the Vision IS current affairs. Okay. So this news is about the
Sir,
internet.
not able to hear you.
Not able to hear me.
Sir, we can take this on Google Meet and can we screen record from laptop? Because then we can screen record.
I don't know that. You can screen
Or
record.
sir, you also use MS.
No, my voice is clear or not?
It's okay. You can speak. A little bit is coming. Now no voice is coming. Now no voice is
Now,
coming.
sir, it's clear, clear.
Yeah, it's very clear, sir.
This news is about the India.
Sir, now again started, sir.
It's okay, yaar. Let's please cooperate. We are wasting
I
time.
will
Sir, you
remove
can
these
speak.
earphones. Okay. So I think the voice should be clear by now.
Yes, sir. Now it's clearer.
Okay. So the first news means this 2.9 article is about the India's development efforts in Afghanistan. So this news will be about what the India has done in the last 5 or 7 years or maybe 10 years in Afghanistan. So how we can go through this particular news. So first of all, there was a news regarding this in newspapers or somewhere else, like India announced 100 projects worth 80 million in Afghanistan. So India has announced 100 projects worth 80 million dollar in Afghanistan. So I have highlighted both these things. You can also circle both these things, like 100 projects worth 80 million dollar. So you will be able to identify these particular figures when you are revising. Okay, so I have highlighted them because I know few things of few of these things. So I did not do circle on them. You can do them. You can do that in initial period, in beginning phase. Now the India's development projects in Afghanistan. So this is the news and this is the relevance of that particular development projects in Afghanistan. And now we are going through what are those development projects which India has undertaken during last 30, 40 or 20 years. So India has pledged more than $2 billion in Afghanistan and invested in diverse areas. So this line I have underlined. Okay, that $2 billion have been announced in Afghanistan and invested in diverse areas. And I have also underlined few areas like healthcare, education, infrastructure, social welfare. So these are common areas in which India generally invests in any of these poor countries like in Africa or in Afghanistan or Middle East. So these are few areas which you can anyway write, even if you have not read these areas in detail. So and also I have highlighted that India is the 5th largest donor to Afghanistan and the largest regional donor. So these things you can also highlight, so that you should know that in Afghanistan who are the what is the stakes India has in Afghanistan, and and India is the largest regional donor. So these things I have also highlighted. And again, India is implementing high visibility, large scale projects in relatively stable areas, and low visibility, small development projects. So what you have to do, you do not have to read this whole statement again. So what you can do is highlight, underline those things which are given exclusively. Means there are two things: high visibility large scale projects and low visibility small development projects. So these two things you have to remember. And the rest you can write in the exam itself, or if they are coming in the prelims, then you can mark the answer. So you have to remember these two things. So you have to underline these two things, so that whenever you revise, you must focus on these two things, because these are the important. Then again, they have written that India has shifted focus from a narrow security centric approach to regional confidence building, development, governance, and trade and investment. So there have been a shift in the focus of India from a narrow security centric approach to these all areas like development, governance, and trade. So I have underlined and highlighted few of these areas. So you can also do that, because over the years and all these things aiming to use Afghanistan's resource potential to build its economic viability, these things are not that much important. They are means redundant. You can avoid those things. So this is about this particular three statements which are given in the Vision IAS magazine. Then again, importance of these projects. So they are telling that what are the importance of these projects for India. So they have also highlighted, or they have written in bold, certain keywords like soft power approach, then demand driven strategy, then connectivity to Central Asia. So if you will remember these three key terms, then you can write the statement also. So you also have to write these key terms in answer as well, as it is given in this booklet, because you will write that soft power approach as a first point, and then you will write what is soft power approach, or how India has capitalized on this thing. Then secondly, you will give the second point and write the demand driven strategy. Then you will write some things about it, like based on the needs and requests of the Afghan government, and not they are forced by India on the Afghanistan people. So it is according to their needs. So this is also important. So you have to focus on these things. You can avoid the redundant things, like most Indian projects have been provided. So these things are not that much important, that these things you can anyway write in your answer. Okay. And again, if there is a diagram is given in this vision current affair, then you can also focus upon that. Like I have highlighted all these five things, which the 5 pillars. What is the 5 pillars that drive India's development partnership with Afghanistan? So on these 5 pillars, India's relationship with Afghanistan is based upon. So like humanitarian assistance, economic development, infrastructure, connectivity, and capacity building. So I have numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that I can recall that there were 5 pillars, and what are its components. So I have also made this acronym for this, like CHICE. So I can recall this thing, that with related to in relation to Afghanistan, I have to remember CHICE, and what are these CHICE I will able to recall, like connectivity. H means humanitarian assistance, I means infrastructure. So you will be able to recall these things very easily. So this is one way of reading the current affair books. Okay, and now I will take up the another page. Actually, this current affair I have read during my third attempt, so I have not focused on many things, because by third attempt I had lot of knowledge in my mind. I did not have to focus upon many things. But as I said, for you as a beginner, you can focus upon these things: 100 projects, $80 million worth, and then $2 billion projects have been pledged by India. Okay, and then this thing, 5th largest donor, you can also encircle this thing. And then these two things: high visibility large scale projects, and low visibility small development projects. And again, these key terms which are given in this section, like importance of these projects, and again this 5 pillar strategy by India. So you can remember this CHICE thing, and then you can also write in the answer like CHICE, then in front of that like for C, what is the meaning of C, what is H, what is I there. So this way you can recall things very easily, and also you can write them in exam. I will take up another page. It is about India's civil nuclear corporations with so what I have written here. So what is the news it about? India and the US have extended the memorandum of understanding for cooperation on nuclear energy by another decade. So what I have highlighted here, India and US. It is about India and US. This news is about. Secondly, extended the MOU, and it is self-understood from this heading that it is about the civil nuclear cooperation. Then what I have also highlighted or inboxed, by another decade. So for a decade there was already an MOU. Now it has been extended for another decade. So that these things are few important which are given in this statement. And again, so they have also given the background of the India's civil nuclear cooperation with other countries. So they have mentioned that India's civil nuclear accords aim to develop mutually beneficial economic, scientific and technical cooperation for peaceful usage of energy. So that is important line is given in this document, so that you can highlight or you can remember by heart also, because these things have to be written in the introduction part of the answer, because this is an IR question, IR topic. So I will focus upon the mains part mostly. And they have also said that there are 14 countries with which India has forged such agreements. You do not have to remember all these countries. So I have underlined, but I will recall only 4-5 countries which everybody knows, like Australia, Canada, US, Japan or France. So these are enough. And there are 14 countries. So I have written this thing here also in headline, like with 14 countries. So that I do not forget this thing, because it has to be remembered. Very means you cannot afford to forget this thing. You have to write this thing, or either they have asked this thing in prelims, like India has civil nuclear cooperation only with US and Russia. Then you must know that there are 12 other countries with which India has these agreements. So therefore I have also written it separately, like with 14 countries. Are you able to see my this mouse pointer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then it will be very easy to explain. And then again they have written certain most critical factors that has facilitated these agreements is India's exceptionally clean track record in area of nuclear non-proliferation. So this thing also is important. You also know that India has a very clean record in terms of the use of the nuclear energy. So that is also an important thing. Then again in this box they have given certain information about India's cooperation, nuclear cooperation with different countries like India, US. So India-US nuclear deal is called 123 agreement. So I have highlighted it or inboxed it, because sometimes in prelims they will ask what is 123 agreement related with. So I will, if I have already inboxed it and revised it multiple times, then I will able to recall that it is about India-US nuclear cooperation. And again I have inboxed this thing also in 2008. Okay, so this is one of the things that you can do while reading this Vision IS magazine. And then few things they have given, that issue of civil liability became a primary challenge in India-US 123 agreement. So you must know that what is the issue between India and US 123 agreement or nuclear agreement. It was about the civil liability, that what is the liability of the companies or the plants, power plants who are running them when any accident happen with regard to those nuclear energy plants. So this is one of the issue. And also I have highlighted or inboxed here one thing, insurance pool. This is a key term, that India agreed to set up an insurance pool to protect companies constructing reactors in the country. So insurance pool is one key term that you can also inbox or you can highlight, so that you remember this thing while answering or while revising these things. Then India-France, similarly I have highlighted this thing that in 2008 there was agreement, and also I have written this 6+1. So what is this 6 plus 1? So France would construct 6 European pressurized reactors of 1650 megawatt each and implement the 9900 megawatt Jatapur nuclear power plant. So I have written that it would construct six reactors which are normal of 1650 megawatt plus one, which is very high power generation plant like 9900 megawatt, and which is the Jatapur nuclear plant. So you can also write certain informations on the side, on the margins, so that you remember these things by any way. Means if you have drawn drew certain diagram, then you will also able to relate that I had drew a diagram there. So means you have to create certain uniqueness in every place, at every place in the this Vision IS magazine, so that you can recall those things very easily. In India Russia, I have highlighted this thing in India in 1988, and again for India Japan 2016 and 2017. So this way you can read the current affair magazine. So some of the areas you have to highlight more, or you have to focus more, you have to emphasize more while reading, and also you can write certain information on the margins.
हेलो सर। सर आपने ये जो येलो जो मार्किंग की थी ये आपने कितने रीडिंग बाद मतलब ऐसा मार्क किया था सर?
सॉरी
सर आपने जो हाईलाइट जो किया था ऐसा येलो कलर से, वो हाईलाइट आपने फर्स्ट रीडिंग बाद ऐसा कर दिया था क्या सर? मतलब ऐसा हाईलाइट
कर सकते हो। इनिशियली आपको थोड़ा सा इश्यू आएगा इसमें, क्योंकि मैंने इसलिए पहले डिस्क्लेमर कर दिया कि ये मेरा 3rd अटेम्प्ट के ड्यूरिंग पढ़ा हुआ है, तो मुझे बहुत ही कम इसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी थी, क्योंकि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें मुझे ऑलरेडी पता थी। तो आपको जो है वो इनिशियली बिगिनिंग में आपको थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है। आप हर चीज़ इसमें हाईलाइट कर देंगे, लगेगा कि आपको पूरा ये मैगजीन ही पीला पीला हो गया है, तो उसके लिए आपको वरी नहीं करना है। कोई बात नहीं, वो ग्रेजुअली आपको धीरे धीरे वो चीज़ समझ में आएगा। इनिशियली आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको बहुत ही हर चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट लगेगी, क्योंकि आपके लिए तो वो नहीं है ना वो चीज़। तो इसलिए मैं कहूँगा कि उससे डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ठीक है कि फर्स्ट टाइम में ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत सारा कर दिया, तो फिर अगले जो मैगजीन आएगी उसमें आपको लगेगा कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रिपीट हो रही है, वो आपको करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। फिर आप 3rd वाली पढ़ेंगे तो फिर बहुत सारी चीज़ें उसमें रिपीट होगी, तो फिर आपको लगेगा कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें मुझे आती है या मैंने ऑलरेडी पढ़ी हुई है, तो उनको हाईलाइट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो ऐसे ऐसे करके आपका कम होता जाएगा, तो आपको उसके लिए वरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लर्निंग, और ये एक इवोल्यूशन होगा आपके साथ, जो आप इजीली कर पाएंगे यदि आप रेगुलरली मंथली मैगजीन पढ़ते हैं तो।
सर मेरा और एक डाउट है सर, आपने मतलब मंथली मैगजीन आपने फॉलो की, और फिर आपने एंड में PT 365 फॉर प्रीलिम एंड मेंस के लिए भी सर मतलब वो सेपरेट मतलब मैगजीन में ऐसा मार्किंग किया था क्या लास्ट में सर?
एक्चुअली मैंने प्रीलिम्स और मेंस प्रीलिम्स 365 मैंने पढ़ा ही नहीं था। PT 365 जो डॉक्यूमेंट आता है, क्योंकि मैंने मंथली जो मैगजीन आता है वो मैंने रेगुलरली पढ़ा था। सेकेंडली मैंने अपना न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा था, और थर्डली मैंने जो ये मंथली मैगजीन पढ़ा था इसका मैंने नोट्स बनाया था। तो नोट्स मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल पर डाल दिया था, शायद आपने देख लिया हो। तो ये तीन चीज़ करने के बाद मैंने PT नहीं पढ़ा, और जब मैंने नोट्स बना लिया इसका, तो मैं इसको भी मंथली मैगजीन को भी रिवाइज नहीं करता था प्रीलिम्स के टाइम पर। सिर्फ मेरा नोट्स जो था एक कॉपी होती थी, उस कॉपी में 12 महीने का वो था क्या करंट अफेयर था, तो वो सफिशिएंट था। उसके बारे में कहीं नहीं गया उसके लिए, क्योंकि मैंने न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा है, तो उसकी न्यूज़ की मेरे को अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑलरेडी है। बस मेरे को वो फैक्ट्स जो हैं वो हमेशा याद रहने चाहिए प्रीलिम्स के टाइम, तो वो मैं वैसे करता था। समझ गए आप? सॉरी
मेंस की रीड की थी क्या सर आपने? मेंस की
मैंने की थी रीड। मेंस की यू कैन
हेलो सर। Sir, for value-added material, you have used only 3 sources: newspaper, monthly magazine, and also Mains 365, right?
For what?
Sir, for value-added material, you have used only 3 sources: daily news, monthly magazine, and Mains 365.
two things. I am just telling about the prelims strategy right now. How to read this information from the prelims point of view.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. And for mains also there is a lot of content given, like significance of these agreements for India and other things like challenges for India in nuclear power. So these things are with related to this what they call mains. But these highlighted or the inbox things, like in 2009 we had an agreement with Mongolia, with India and China had agreement in 2010. So these things mostly are asked in the prelims, and I may have written these things in my notes. So for prelims, those notes which you are making, they are sufficient along with the newspaper reading. And for mains, you can go through the mains 365, because you will find in mains 365 they have given all these information sector wise. Means if there have been 4 or 5 news with related to nuclear power, then they will give all under a particular section. So you will be able to relate one news with another. Whereas in this monthly magazine, what will happen? One news will happen in October, second will happen in December, third in February. So you may not be able to relate those news. You are getting my point. So therefore, mains 365, to study the mains 365 becomes very, very essential. And also in those particular sections, they are giving the data. Means how many nuclear plants are there in India, what is the energy being produced by nuclear plants, or what is the share of the nuclear power in our India's energy mix. So all those things they mention at the beginning of that particular section. So therefore mains 365 becomes essential. That is what I feel. I will show you mains 365 also. Okay, so now I think this session is coming to an end. We have 6 minutes left. I will take up another thing in this section.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will join again.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Let us finish. We have 6 minutes. So sometimes the information is also given in these boxes in this Vision monthly magazine. Okay, so like they have mentioned about the Global Center for Nuclear Energy Partnership, GOEP. So and they have given certain details about it. So you should know that there is one Global Center for Nuclear Energy Partnership. It is world's first nuclear energy partnership, and it is in Jhajjar district of Haryana. So these few informations you have to collect or you have to highlight, so that whenever you are revising it, you must focus on these things. And what is this? What is the function of this institute or this partnership? So it facilitates deliberation and discussion between or on international experts on various issues and innovation. So these things, if you can recall, then it would be better. So this is all information which is required from this particular article. And there are 5 schools under it. You do not have to remember all these 5 schools. You may remember 1 or 2 schools, that is sufficient. So this is the way to read this current affairs magazine. And I will also show you the mains 365. Give me a minute.
Sir, ideally, how much time one should take to complete monthly magazine, sir?
See, a monthly magazine takes around, I would say, 20 hours, 15 to 20 hours in the beginning, and later on it will reduce. Okay, it can come up to the 15 hours or 14 hours. That is enough. I am saying in hours because I did not read the current affairs on a particular day. Means for a complete day. I used to read only 2 hours per day. 2 hours today, 2 hours tomorrow. So I would finish those current affairs in 5 or 6 days. So that was my strategy to finish this current affairs monthly magazine. I will show you this mains 365 of environment.
Sir, is your laptop on charge?
Yes, it is.
Charge. Is your laptop getting? Sir, Yes, that is why the sound is coming. I think it is because of the charger.
Once remove the plug point, sir. That
But my laptop completely runs on the battery, on the charge. Let us see.
Yes, sir, you are visible, but your screen is not visible. Screen.
Okay, let me check.
sir, what about Insights daily current affairs, sir? From website they will be releasing daily, night.
They are releasing on daily basis, but in long run, it is not required. I would say you do not have to go through the every day's current affair because there will be a lot of news and you will not be able to remember them because don't only have to read the newspaper for once, you also have to revise them again and again. So